If you're just tuning in part 1, I flew from Boston to Dublin, where I walked around O'Connell Street and listened to some music at the Temple Bar. In this episode, we explore Trinity College and make our way out to Carrick-on-Shannon. Sit back, and I hope you enjoy the ride. Hey everybody, so I made it to Trinity Bar. I'm just outside the Temple Bar District. I'm going to grab me a pint, and then I'm going to go walk over to Trinity College, and I'll show you around there a little bit. Alright, there's Trinity College. Just started to rain a little bit, but going to take a walk through anyway and head back to the hotel. Grab my bag, and then grab a train to the next destination. Here's the inner quad of the main campus entrance. This is also near where they have the Book of Kells. Let's go take a lap around. You can look around, see what looks like residence dorms and classroom buildings. Student Center. Here's the Book of Kells for those who are interested. And I'll put how much that costs below for anybody that would like to know. I have to go back and put my jacket on. I don't like this clean. there. And we have the little student union way over there. Let's go check that out. So interesting to see them running on these track lines, even though they're just grass. They're not the hardened surface like you'd normally see on a track. But they got the lines and stuff just like a normal track would have. So I think when I go out next time, I'm going to grab a jacket. Just enough to add a chill, but then you get hot once the chill stops. So, we're heading up to the student union. Good shot of the pitch. Looks like a private event. Hey everybody, I'm gonna check out this a little bit more and start making my way back. Alright everybody, so I'm making my way to the train station, which I'm coming up on now. I'm going to grab the train to Carrick-on-Shannon. That's where I'm going next. So, as you can see, made it to the train station. But a beautiful Dublin as I get ready to depart. Alright everybody, so I made it to Carrick-on-Shannon. So I'm walking into Old Town right now. And I'm gonna get checked into my hotel and go out and grab some dinner. Stay tuned. Okay, we made it to the Bush Hotel in Carrick-on-Shannon. Hotel room. This will do for tonight. Let me show you around. Have a little window sitting area over here and a closet for clothes. Looks out over. Nothing special. Got some tea and coffee. 2 beds. Not sure why. And a bathroom. Let's see what the bathroom looks like. There's a tub. Alright folks, I'm going to get settled in and go find some dinner and tuck in and just enjoy being here. So I'll have more to share about where I'm at soon. So stay tuned. Alright, just went out to Flynn's bar here in Carrick, and it was great. Had a really great conversation with a local and learned a little bit about the area. And I know you can't really see it, but there's this really beautiful church right there. But I'm gonna go try to find a convenience store, get a soda, and head back to the room. But just out exploring the town, a small little quaint Irish town. Hope you're enjoying the video. Hey everybody, I made it back to my hotel. I'm going to go back inside and get some rest, get showered up, and wake up tomorrow and make my way to Sligo. So, catch you soon. Good morning everybody. So, after a wonderful night's sleep, I'm going to make my way to a place to hang out for a minute. And then I'm going to head over to the train station and catch my train to Sligo. Once again, I'm near this beautiful church, which I heard the bells ringing this morning, but looking pretty cool so far. So the weather's nice out, and nice as in Irish terms. It's overcast, but comfortable. Alright everybody, I made it to the train station, and my train should be here in about 15 minutes, and I'm going to make my way over to Sligo. Stay tuned.